Hello everyone, Satan here with Torn Tutorials. Today we'll be covering the card skimming crime. First, to get started, you will head to the Torn City Superstore and buy some spy cameras. If there's none available, you can buy them for cheap from the item market. Next, you'll need to head to Tiny or Fernando's Bazaar and buy some card skimmers. The last item you'll need is duct tape, which can be found in the item market for pretty cheap as well. Looking at the menu, we can see this drop down is the location you install your card skimmer. So far it seems College Campus is the best as far as number of card details per hour and has relatively low chance of being found. The gas station is unlocked at 25 skill and seems to be the slowest for gathering card numbers, but the lowest chance of being found. I've not gotten a chance to test the casino lobby or bank branch, so if you have tested them, let me know your findings. Then looking to the right, you'll see the install button. You'll click it to attempt to install a card skimmer in the location you picked. You can have a maximum of 20 active card skimmers at a time. Be careful though, the longer the skimmer is at the location, the more likely it is to be found. The only outlier to this rule seems to be the gas station, which basically seems immortal. Here we can also check the rate at which the card skimmer is being used. When you feel it's time, you can spend 4 nerf to recover the card skimmer. For this crime, I would recommend using the college station option and simply picking them up as soon as possible. This will get you a lot of crime skill. Then once you reach 100 skill in the crime, I would recommend planning 20 gas station skimmers and then check the gas station skimmers every couple of days and then recover them once they reach 250 details for the honor. And then lastly, of course, you can click the option to actually sell your card numbers online. To do that, you'll need a personal computer or a laptop, and then you'll just simply click the sell button. Thank you for liking and sharing. I hope this video has earned your subscription. I wish you the best of luck in Torn.